In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Meitu app not working. If you are experiencing any challenge with your Meitu AI photo and video editor app, such as your app can't open or it keeps on crashing or it is too slow, then let me show you how you can fix this. To do this, there are quite a number of methods we can use. In the first method, we need to access the app info page. For that, you just go ahead and long press on your app, and you can see we have various options here. Scroll down until you see app info. Sometimes this might be on the upper side, so look for app info. Now under app info page, we need to go ahead and clear the app data to troubleshoot it in the first place. So if I go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of data used by this app. Of importance here is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. But the problem is when these files accumulate, they might cause your app to malfunction. To fix this, you need to go ahead and delete or clear this cache data. So go down here and tap on clear data and choose this option, clear cache, then okay. Here you can see now the cache files or the cache data has been cleared together with some of the user data. So don't worry about this. You won't lose any settings or anything on your app. You need to go ahead now and restart your smartphone, then open your app, and now it should be working. In most cases, this should be able to fix all the problems or most of the issues that you are facing. But should you still find that you have a challenge, then go to clear data, and then this time around go ahead and choose manage space. Here you'll need to go ahead and offload some of the content you had created with this app to create more space for this app to function properly. But should space not be the issue, then you need to go ahead and use the third method, and for that you need to go ahead and search for this app through Google Play Store if you are on Android, or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Google Play Store, search for my Meitu AI photo and video editor app here, and look for any update if it is available. Then update your app to the latest version. One of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of Meitu app that might not be supported. By updating your app, now you'll get the latest features that comes with this app, and also you'll have fixed issues that might be affecting your app. At this point, now everything should be okay. However, in some cases, you might find that the app still crashes. If you are experiencing such an issue, then you need to go ahead and uninstall the app completely and install it afresh. By doing so, you will have completely wiped out all the bugs that might be affecting your app. So by using any of these methods, now you should be able to have your app working without any issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.